ሰላም የድንክ ቲቪ ተከታታዮች እንደምን ናችሁ? የተከታተላችሁ ያላችሁት ድንክ ኒውዝ ነው። ገብርኤላ ነኝ። ዛሬ በድንክ ኒውዝ የምንገኘው በሂልተን ሆቴል ፓን አፍሪካን ወመን ኤምፓወርመንት ሰሚት 2024 ያዘጋጀው ፕሮግራም ላይ ነው። ይህ ኤምፓወርመንት የአፍሪካ ችግር በራሳችን አፍሪካውያን ብቻ የሚፈታ ነው በሚል እምነትና መነሻ የተመሰረተ ነው። የፓን አፍሪካ ወመን ኤምፓወርመንት ሰሚት በየዓመቱ በአዲስ አበባ የሚካሄድ ሲሆን የተለያዩ ኔትወርኮችን እንዲሁም ደግሞ ግንዛቤ ሰጪ መረጃዎችን ፕሪተርድ አግሪመንቶችን ያዘጋጃል። ይህ ተቋም ከተመሰረተ በሳውዝ አፍሪካ ብቻ ሲከበር 30 ዓመት የሆነው ሲሆን በአህጉር ደረጃ ደግሞ ላለፉት 10 ዓመታት ሲዘጋጅ ቆይቷል። የፓን አፍሪካን ወመን ኤምፓወርመንት በአፍሪካ እንዲሁም ደግሞ በዲያስፖራ ውስጥ ያሉ የሴት መሪዎች እንዲሁም ደግሞ የስራ ፈጣሪዎችን ለማሰባሰብ የሚደረግ ፕሮግራም ነው። በዛሬው የመክፈቻ ፕሮግራም ላይ አንጋፋና ትልቅ አስተዋጽኦ ያደረጉ አፍሪካዊ ሴቶችን እውቅና ሰጥቷል። በፖለቲክስ፣ በፋይናንስ፣ በክሪኤቲቭ አርት፣ በኢንጂነሪንግ ሳይንስ እና ቴክኖሎጂ እንዲሁም በማይኒንግ እና ዲዛይን የስራ ዘርፍ ውስጥ ትልቅ አስተዋጽኦ ያደረጉት ከተለያዩ የአፍሪካ ሀገራት ውስጥ የተውጣጡ አፍሪካዊ ሴቶችን ሸልሟል። እኛ የተገኘንበት ቀን የዝግጅቱ መክፈቻ ቀን ላይ ሲሆን ቀጥሎ ባሉት ቀናትም ፕሮግራሙ ሲቀጥል ቆይቶ ነበር።
My name is Biha Kula. I'm the president of Africa for Africa Women Empowerment from South Africa, but our organization is represented in all 5 regions of the African continent.
Okay, well, you're the president.
Yes.
So, what motivated you to start this organization?
My belief is that the solutions of Africa should come from Africa. And I think if we continue to be dependent, we will not bring the Africa that we want. And many changes, country by country in Africa, women were the helm of that transformation. And therefore, now we're talking about economic transformation, building the Africa for our dream, the Africa for what we want, the Africa where young people can thrive, the Africa where women are equal partners in terms of economic participation. So this is the dream of this organization.
My name is Her Royal Majesty Queen Aminata Diko Koiita of Fulbe in Ashanti, Ghana.
Your Majesty, how do you feel about this event generally?
You know, I think this is a wonderful event. It's an opportunity for us as women to come together to collaborate on things to make the world a better place and to have the Africa that we actually deserve. And I'm so excited and honored to be in the presence of such powerful women. We've been doing a lot of networking and today has been very exciting. Us just celebrating being women is a powerful thing.
How did you find the event generally?
The event was quite empowering and inspiring. More than anything else, just being able to see women make great strides with what they truly are good in, and that is just being creative from their core. And seeing that women and entrepreneurship really work well together. But beyond that, just seeing women work together as well was really inspiring. In South Africa, we have a Sotho idiom that says "Njapedi," which means 2 heads are better than 1. And I literally saw that happening here, and it was really inspiring.
I think it's a great event. I think this is something that we need to do on a bigger scale because there's a lot that women can offer out there.
Well, I've seen that you were one of the women who won 2 awards. How did you feel about that?
Oh my goodness. First of all, let me tell you that I always walk as a winner. I know I will win something. But 2, I wasn't prepared. I got emotional, but above all, I am excited. This award, it's for women of South Sudan. But above all, it's for my children and my family. And also for people of Ethiopia, women in Ethiopia, for hosting us in this beautiful nation. So I'm so thankful that I won this. It shows that what I do in my country, it's being recognized regionally, and I'm so honored and I'm so proud.
የምንገኘው በስዊዲሽ ኤምባሲ Girls Takeover በሚል መሪ ቃል የተዘጋጀ ፊሜል ኢንተርፕረነርሺፕ ቢዝነስ ኢቨንት ላይ ነው። በጣም ብዙ እንግዶች አሉ፣ አምባሳደሮች አሉ የተጋበዙ። ፕሮግራሙን አስቃኛችኋለሁ፣ አብራችሁን ቆዩ።
Welcome to tonight's Girls Takeover event on female entrepreneurship for the Swedish business community and selected invitees.
ስዊድን ኤምባሲ ገርልስ ቴክ ኦቨር ፊሜል ኢንተርፕረነርሺፕ በሚል ርዕስ ያዘጋጀውን ሴት ስራ ፈጣሪዎችን ያመላከተ ዝግጅት ላይ ነበር የተገኘ ነው። በዝግጅቱ ላይ የተለያየ አይነት ስራ ፈጣሪዎች የተገኙ ሲሆን ፓናል ዲስከሽኖች እንዲሁም የልምድ ልውውጦች ነበሩ። በኢትዮጵያ የስዊድን አምባሳደርን ጨምሮ በስራቸው ስኬታማነትን ያገኙ ሴቶች በዕለቱ ተገኝተው የነበሩ የሴት ስራ ፈጣሪዎችን ሲያበረታቱና ልምድ ሲያካፍሉ ቆይተዋል።
Last posting was in Khartoum, Sudan. Where we focused a lot on promoting women and girls in all parts of the society. But here in Ethiopia we have done it 3 times as well. So in partnership with Plan International.
አምባሳደር ጸዳለ ማርያም እባላለሁ። ለዛሬ የስዊድን አምባሳደር ነበርኩኝ እና አሁን በተካሄደው ፓነል ዲስከሽን ላይ ሞዴሬተር ነበርኩኝ። A recent graduate from Addis Ababa University and an aspiring entrepreneur. Girls Takeover የሚባል የፕላን ኢንተርናሽናል ኢኒሺዬቲቭ አለ። ኢንተርናሽናል ዴይ ኦፍ ዘ ገርልን ቤዝ አድርጎ ኢንተርናሽናል ዴይ ኦፍ ዘ ገርልን በተመለከተ ሴቶች የተለያዩ የሃየር ኦፊሻልስ ኦር ዲሲዥን ሜኪንግ ፖዚሽን ላይ ያሉ ሰዎችን ሮል ለአንድ ቀን ቴክኦቨር አድርገው to prove for other girls and themselves that they can do it እና ሌሎችም ሴቶች አይተው እዛ ቦታ ላይ መድረስ እንደሚችሉ ለማሳየት እና እሱን ኦፖርቹኒቲ አግኝቼ ነበረ through networks እና ለዛሬ ስዊድን አምባሳደር ሆንኩኝ። ስዊድን ኤምባሲ ይሄንን ፓነል ዲስከሽን ሴቶች ኢኮኖሚው ላይ መሳተፍ አለባቸው፣ entrepreneurs መሆን አለባቸው ብለው አዘጋጁ and then I got the chance to be the moderator of it.
Entrepreneurship for me is I guess this is what it is, to have a vision and then walk in that vision and tackle all the challenges and bring all the different solutions along the way. So yeah.
አሜን እባላለሁ። የሶዞ ኮንሳልቲንግ ፋውንደር ነኝ። ሶዞ ኮንሳልቲንግ ስዊዲሽ ኢትዮጵያን ኮንሳልተንሲ ነን። እዚህ ኢትዮጵያ 9 ዓመታችን ነው ኤስታብሊሽ ካደረግንና።
Okay. What makes your consulting different from the others markets ካሉት?
የኛ ኮንሳልተንሲ በጣም ኒሽድ የሆነ ነው ማለት እውቀት ላይ ነው ፎከስ የምናደርገው። ቫልዩ አድ በማድረግ ነው ማለት ቫልዩ ኦሪየንትድ ነው እና ያው ከስካንዲኔቪያ የምናገኛቸው እውቀቶች እነሱን ሎካላይዝ አድርገን ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ኮንቴክስት በማምጣት ነው እየሰራን እንገኛለን።
Being a diplomat, it's actually being an entrepreneur as well. Because you always have to adapt to a changing environment. We always do that, I think, every day, every week. You need to find new smart solutions. We work a lot with the private sector. What we are trying to do as diplomats, I have one objective, and that's promotion of one brand, and that's the country of Sweden.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm the Swedish ambassador here in Ethiopia.
How did you find the panel discussion generally tonight?
I think it was very inspiring because we're trying to promote women's entrepreneurship, also based on the experience that we have in Sweden. And this is a priority for Sweden also to promote more women entrepreneurship as a part of our economic development. And I think this is an opportunity also for Ethiopia.
Sort of, you need these skills. You need to have innovative solutions, and I have to say that Sweden is one of the world's best innovative countries right now. So we depend a lot on creating a good environment for entrepreneurship.
How did you come up with the plan of organizing this panel discussion?
Well, this event is part of something we called Girls Takeover in cooperation with Plan International, and we do this every year to try to promote girls' rights in different sectors, human rights, fighting sexual and gender-based violence, but also to involve girls and women in the economy and to be part of economic development.
The entrepreneurship journey was very, very slow. So we grew with the times. At first it was small things, then it was small little hospitals like Fistula. Then it was our biggest first project was the Netherlands Embassy. So we were lucky enough to be involved in that. It got international awards, the Aga Khan Awards.
እሺ እንግዲህ የዋሪት ጀነራል ማኔጀር ከጎን ያለች እንዴት አመሸሽ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። እንዴት አመሸሽ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ራስሽን አስተዋውቂልን እስቲ።
እሺ ስሜ ትህትና ሙሻ ለገሰ ይባላል። የዋሪት ሙሉ ጥላ ኢንተርናሽናል ኃላፊነቱ የተወሰነ የግል ኩባንያ ማኔጂንግ ዳይሬክተር ነኝ።
We grew the company and we grew the company with a double capital. By the time I was there it was about 80 million, but now we are 280 million invested capital. Not only that, we transformed the company into becoming manufacturer of all the things that we used to import. So I think thank you.
ቆንጆ ነበረ። እኔ በራሴ አስቤው ማላቀውን በሴትነት ጥያቄዎች ምን ነበሩ የሚሉትን ነገሮች ተነስተው ነበረ። ጥሩ እኔ እንደ እምነት ይዤምያውና የወንድ ሴት ብዬ ማላምንበት ፖዚሽን ጀንደር የለውም ብዬ ማምነውን ነገር እንደው በደንብ የተናገርኩበት ሁኔታ ነበረ። ከሌሎቹም ብዙ የተማርኩበት ነው።
For me it's been always important to have, you know, a vision. So I think that's important for both boys and girls to have a vision. One important pillar of promoting Swedish entrepreneurship of women is networking. And of course we have a good network here tonight. Creating role models, creating incubators, accelerators, where you also can find other women in the same situation. So I think that's the particular part of creating better environment for women entrepreneurship.
When investing in women, what we've seen in Ethiopia, working in the rural areas as well, we see that when we invest in women and when we enable women, they don't just rise alone or change alone. They bring their communities also with them. They bring what they get back to their homes. They invest in their children. They invest in their societies. And investing in women is investing in change that kind of goes beyond what we can see. It goes to generations and creates impact.
Yes. For women entrepreneurs ማስተላለፍ የምትፈልጊው መልእክት አለ?
በርቱ፣ አትፍሩ። ያው ውስጣችሁ ያለው ነገር በቃ ያው እያዳመጣችሁ አትፍሩ ነው የምለው። because ያው ሴቶች በጣም ብዙ ፖቴንሻል አለን። ኢትዮጵያ ደግሞ ያስፈልጋታል።
ለአንትረፕረነርስ ለዩዝ ለኢንስፓየርድ ዩዝ የሚሆን ብዙ ኢሹዎች ተነስተዋል ብዬ አስባለሁ። ብዙ ሜሴጆች ተላልፈዋል። ብዙ ስትራግልስ ቻሌንጅስ ተነስተዋል and how to solve them as well። ስለዛ በጣም ኢንስፓይሪንግ እና ኤጁኬሽናል ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ።
በሐሳብም የምናጋራቸው ሰዎች ሲኖሩ የብዙ ሰው ህይወት መቀየር እንችላለን ብዬ አስባለሁ።
እንግዲህ ተመልካቾቻችን ዛሬ የነበረን ፕሮግራም ይሄን ይመስል ነበረ። እኔ as a female to try harder to not give up እንዲሁም ደግሞ ኦፖርቹኒቲዎችን ሞር ለመጠቀም እንዲያስችል በደንብ ሞቲቬት ተደርጋለሁ። አይ ሆፕ እናንተም እንደዚህ የተሰማችሁ ይመስለኛል። አብራችሁ የነበርኩት ገብርኤላ ነበርኩኝ። በሌላ ጊዜ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ቻው።